Udacity peeps, or Grow with Google Scholar peeps. We are going to continue on. I know it's been a while since we've shared some time together. So today we're going to do lesson 7, and I was taking a look at it, and it looks pretty straightforward. So hopefully we could power through and get it done, and move on to the next. So this is oh, not that. I don't know why it keeps going there. This is a lesson about keyboard shortcuts and trying to be efficient in writing code. For some of you who are beginning developers like myself, I know the use of mouse, which I do a lot, is sort of essential. But yeah, learning some keyboard shortcuts I think will help us sort of optimize our time in writing code rather than doing the repetitive tasks of copying and pasting. So just had a sip of tea right there. Yeah, I don't know, you guys probably don't know, I stopped drinking coffee probably around December, maybe a little longer, around Thanksgiving, and I've been on tea for quite some time, and I think it's really changed my life. I'm not so I don't worry as much. So okay, to get back at it, here it looks like we're gonna have to download a zip file, which I've already downloaded, and I'm gonna just move this to my folder here, Grow with Google, and I'm gonna unzip that. Okay, so practice. Okay, it looks like I've already created one. We'll just go with this. Practice keyboard shortcuts. Let's see what they want to do. Okay, so open the index and main HTML. So I'm going to just do that here. You didn't see it, but I'm starting to use keyboard shortcuts, and we're going to move this to lesson 7. We're going to open the HTML, and we're also going to open the CSS file. Okay, that's what the instruction is saying. So I'm just going to tile this so we could see. What I also did was I created a keyboard shortcut text just so that I can have it next to me when I'm working, and it's really going to be my goal to sort of use this and become better at it. The two that so these are all pretty basic. Hopefully everybody is used to doing this, copying and pasting. Undo, redo, I tend to do that a lot. The things that are new to me is this guy right here. This is really cool. And what it does is, if I wanted to duplicate this header, if I just do Command-Shift-D, that's pretty awesome. So you could really get a lot of stuff done. So I'm just gonna undo, and I guess if you do it so fast, and you undo it, it sort of knows that that was one command. So that's pretty neat. So duplicating shortcut we've done, and as you see, I've done some undo and I've done redo. So I'm gonna copy this again and I'm gonna undo it. But if I want to redo it, I'm gonna do Command-Shift-Z. Okay. I guess undo. The alternative is Command-Y, okay, and undo that again. So that's pretty much this stuff. I'm also not familiar with selecting shortcuts. That's pretty cool too. So let's say if I just wanted to do this word. I forgot the shortcut, but it's select the word. It's just Command D. So that's pretty cool. Command D selects that word. Okay. So that's pretty cool. So that would be the select shortcuts. You can also do an entire line. So D and line. How would we remember that, guys? I guess D word. The word ends with D, and then the line starts with L. I don't know if you guys will remember that. I hope I will too. So let's say if we wanted to select the entire line, we would do Command L. Okay, that selects the entire line. We could duplicate the whole line. Okay, we could cut it. Okay, and if we wanted to do, I wonder what happens if we do, okay, this is pretty cool, guys. If you keep repeating, let's say I wanted to select this whole block. If you just, look at that. That's one line actually, because I guess this is one line. Okay, so just to let you know, a line is separated by a, I guess what you call an enter key or a line feed or a new paragraph. So like this, let's say if I wanted to do this, like this is one line, and then I guess this is another. This is another line. Okay, so you can even control command. Okay, you can copy that. So I guess you could do. I guess this is another line. Okay, that's one line. Okay, this is another single line. Okay, so what I call it. Okay, so this is one line. So if we wanted to select this, Command L. It looks like you can keep doing Command L and it just selects the next. So that's pretty cool too. That's good to know. Didn't know that before. Okay, so we did select shortcuts. Practice using move cursor. Okay, so move cursor. Here's Command All. Use that a lot. That selects everything, and also selecting every instance. I think that's like helpful. Let's say for the word level. Okay, if I do Control Command G, okay, it doesn't. That means it doesn't find it. So this is the only word level. But if let's say if I duplicate this line, okay, and if I search for the word level, okay, word, and then Control Shift or Control Command G, I guess it selects. See how it's selected? I only have, okay, so okay, you see how it selected both level, and then what can you do with that? Well, you can cut it. Okay, so that's a way to sort of I guess replace. I don't know if I could type stuff like level or so if I wanted to replace that, wow, this is awesome. Replacing this with another word. So that's pretty awesome. I certainly did not know that. And that might be specific to Sublime Text. Let's see if I use Word. Just curious, Okay, I'm gonna take a sip of tea. Okay, so level. So Control D to select the word. See, it doesn't do it because Control D is, see, it's format. So Control Command G, yep, doesn't do it. That's just code editor, guys. Doesn't apply in other usual apps. So all right, so we're all good here. Moving cursors. Okay, so we've done this. Keep copying. Yeah, that's pretty basic. Move cursor, Alt. So Alt and arrow. So I'm on a MacBook and Alt is like, you know, it's a function key. So Alt arrow. So Alt left, previous word. So that allows you to move. Okay, let's see. So let's say I selected the word another. Okay, I'm going to select that. Control Command G. Okay, that selects everything. So what does function Alt left and right? Interesting. What is that supposed to do? Okay, if I'm here, seems like it's okay. I'm using Option, and it looks like it's going to the next word. See that? Okay, so maybe it depends. See, this is for the Mac too. So next and previous word, command. Okay, so it's like start of line, end of line. Okay, so where's the start of line? So start of line would be like the top. Oh, start and end. Okay, so that's start of line, end of line, start of line, end of line, start of line, end of line. That's pretty cool. So the up and down. Okay, up and down is the start and end of document. So that's the top of document, and then that's the end of document. Top and top and top and. Okay, cool. That's definitely helpful. So we did that. Jump. Okay, jump. Jump to opening of parentheses. So Control M, opening. How would we remember that? So Control M. So if I'm here, if I wanted to jump, okay, so that just jumps to the beginning and opening. That's pretty cool. Okay, that definitely helps. Jump to the definition. Okay, this is I think important when you're doing like classes, right? So how would we? Is there anything here that, okay, that defines, so style? Okay, so like when body is used. So okay, let's see how that will work. Definition. Okay, really? What is it? Okay, let me just make sure I understand the use of this. Header, code, body. Okay, so if I'm here, it's, you know, it looks for the definition of the body and it goes all the way to the top, the style for body. Okay, because this is the definition for the style, I suppose. So that's pretty cool. Jump. Okay, indent I don't have here. Let's see what that looks like. Although I do use, I would do this, tab to indent, shift tab to remove the indent. I don't know if that's what they're talking about. So let's take a look at the the lesson. Keyboard shortcuts. Go to, okay, here. Notepad++. Okay, I was looking for, so there's no is there indent here? I copied all of them. Okay, yeah. indent and unindent. So definitely gonna put that in here. Yeah, 1 second. Yes, Brandon. Yeah, after we go hiking. Okay. You do? Okay, good. Be careful, okay? All right. Okay, guys. All right, indent. So to indent, it's either so you tab or control close square bracket. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. Okay, we should be using our shortcuts here. So if I do Control, Command Shift G, no, Command L, okay, to select everything. Okay, and if I do Tab, that indents it. See that? You can't see it. Let me see if I can show that. Okay, okay. So I'm just doing Tab and Shift Tab. Okay, I didn't mean to select that one, so it's this one. So let's say, okay, Control L. So that's okay. So that's it. Oop. Okay, and let's say, okay, so you could also use this one. Huh, that doesn't work. Yeah, I guess I don't know why. I've always used it. So yeah, I don't know about that or. That doesn't seem to work. So I'll just take that out. oh, it's command. Okay, sorry. It's command. Let's say I wanted to select this. Okay, it's command close. Yeah, command close square bracket too works. Okay, I think one indent is fine. And then if I wanted to select, okay, so if I wanted to select this entire block, I'd start here and then do that. And then I can move it back. Cool. All right, so I think we're done with the indent. Practice toggling comments shortcut. That is pretty cool. Because if we wanted to comment something out, there's a shortcut for it. So let's see. So I'll definitely want to see where that is. So find, we know how to do find. Want to see more? So comment, toggle comment. Look at that. So if I wanted to comment this out, command. Oh yeah, look at that. That is awesome. Wow. Would that work for other languages? You know, like SQL. So select star from, you know, DB where, you know, row it's less than 100. So that was command. That is awesome. Holy cow. That is pretty cool. That works for CSS too? Yep. Wow. Guys, we are going to be badass. Definitely want to put that in here. I don't know how I missed that. Toggle comment. These are really cool. Okay. So we did this. Tab management. I wonder what that is. Tab management. Ah, new tab. New tab. Oh, tab. Yeah, tab management. We use that a lot for so we use that a lot in Chrome. So switch tab left. So Command Shift. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's awesome. Okay, so I shouldn't have to use my keyboard. And then that's how to close. To reopen, I definitely use this Command Shift tab. Yep. Ooh, it reopened the one earlier. Okay. Close that, close that. So if I save this and I close that, I can reopen it. Wow, pretty awesome. Okay, tab management. Practice. Okay, so we did tab management. Quick open shortcuts. Open. Let me say open. Quick open. Oh, Control P. Wow, I thought that would be something to print. Let's see. Open. So Control P. Wow, cool. Oh, so these are to open the ones that are currently open. I guess this, you know, if say we wanted to so if we close this, okay, I'm gonna save that. If I do Control P, it's just now there's just the two. Okay, so that's almost the same thing as well, not the same, but it gives you a list. So if I have a bunch of things open, I could view it here. So that's pretty cool. Okay, what was the next thing? Click open, find. Yep, do that all the time. Control Command F, right? Command F for find. Find. Yeah, Command F. Definitely use that a lot. So find find padding. Okay. And then can you replace it? Okay, it just finds it. Okay. Okay, cool. All right, guys, I think that's it for this video. You know, we're gonna look at, oh, there's a quiz, keyboard shortcut
Still don't
quiz.
think keyboard shortcuts are a big deal? Let's put them to the test. For this quiz, you'll be competing against yourself in a time.
Fill again. For lesson 7, quiz 4, it sounds like if you watch the video, it's a coding challenge, a keyboard. It's a time challenge. So they want us to download 2 files. So I'm gonna just, you know, copy this into my workspace and moving this here. And okay, so keyboard shortcut. Oh, wonder why. Okay, that won't. Wonder why that won't copy. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna extract this here. There's a start and finish. Okay, we're gonna open these in our code editor. Okay, and if you remember, we have a shortcut start, finish. Okay, open and see if we can, okay, so we can tile these two is what I'm trying to do. Oops. Okay, so this is start and this is finish. Okay, so I'm gonna time this using the Google link for the what do you call that? The stopwatch, and that's taking a long time. So we're just gonna do timer. I think Google will know what that is. Okay, and we're gonna do a stopwatch. So we're gonna start right now. Okay, So first try is not to have anything. So I'm just going to copy this. So this is not using keyboard shortcuts. This is using a mouse. Okay, and I'm going to do right click, paste. Oh, wait, that's not. Okay, so okay, here it looks like we have two divs. So I'm going to select that, right click, copy, and I'm going to paste the missing links here. Paste, okay. Should be tabbed over. So this whole thing needs to be tabbed over. Okay, so what I'm going to do is select this. I guess this is tabbing how many. So this is passed after the other div. Okay. And this one, Michael, is right below the H1. Okay, so this div is, this actually has one more. Okay, and then the href is right below it. And this div is with that div. Okay. All right, so here we have a missing article. I'm gonna copy that. Copy, and then I'm just gonna paste that here. Okay, and it doesn't line up, so we have to line it up. So this is lines up with that div, and that div is lined up. Okay, and these should be tabbed over, and it matches with that div. And this should be tabbed over. That should be tabbed over. And this should be tabbed over. And this should be tabbed over. Okay, and this div is good. Okay, so what am I missing here? Why is this longer than the other one? Let's see. Doc, head, car set, body, div, UL. Okay, so it looks like maybe because I have these. Okay, and these also. Okay, so these match exactly the same. No, this is one line. It's one line longer. What am I missing here? This one, article. Oh, there's another space right here. Okay, so that's exactly the same. All right, so that was about 3 minutes, and oh, oh, stop. So that was about 3 minutes, and I think it's 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Okay, so I'll just copy that number. I guess you can press and stop this. Okay. I'm gonna reset it now. So that is how long it, so without keyboard, okay, without keyboard shortcuts. Okay, and the next one is with keyboard shortcuts. Okay, and I'm just gonna save this, save as. Completed without keyboard shortcuts. Save, okay. So I'm gonna open another file. I'm gonna open that start.html again. And this time I'm gonna be using keyboard shortcuts. So, okay, I'm gonna time myself. Ready, set, go. Okay. So here, there's a missing link. Okay, I'm gonna copy this line. I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna select this line and I'm gonna paste it here. This article needs to be copied, so I'm gonna copy this. Oh, these should be tabbed over. Okay, so this should be tabbed over, and it looks like this guy needs to be tabbed over. One, and then go up. And this needs to be tabbed over, and then that's done. So I'm just going to delete this line, and then there's a missing article here, so I'm going to select this one. Okay. Okay, copy that, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and it looks like it's not in the right place, so I can select it again and then Shift Tab so that they lined up. These should be tabbed over. So I'm going to delete all these comments, okay? So these should be tabbed over, and let me see, this guy needs to be tabbed over. Okay, this guy needs to be tabbed over. So tab, and now the inner, this needs to be tabbed. Okay, so is that it? So there's 3 spaces here, and there's only 2 right here. Okay, so it looks like this whole thing needs to be tabbed over. So this whole thing needs to be tabbed over there. Okay, so that's exactly the same. And wow, look at that. That is almost a full minute. Okay, that's a, what would that be? That's, so let's do some math. So I'm gonna copy this. Okay, so that's a full minute and 57 seconds. So so if we do the math, old minus new divided by old. Okay, that's a 30% improvement, guys. So that means we wrote this in 2/3 of the time that it took us. So yeah, that's really good. And let's see if let's see what we need to do here. Okay, on the next slide, enter your best times without. On the next slide, enter your best times with and without the keyboard. Oh, cool. All right, so remember, only use your keyboard. Don't copy the paste from the second file. That'd be cheating. Don't just copy, like copying the whole thing. So let's see. All right, okay. Keyboard shortcuts. What do we need to do? Start the quiz. Okay. What in seconds? What is your best time in seconds? So I guess this one was 1 minute and 57 seconds. So just add 60 to 57. So 60 plus 57, so that's 117. So the 117 is our second one, but what's our first one? So the other one was, let's take a look, 3 minutes and 5 seconds. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. So the other one is 3 minutes. So 3 times 60. So it's 185. Okay, 185. So 185. So 185 seconds. Okay, submit. You forgot to enter your best times. Please make sure. Okay. There's 2 here. Best time is 117. 117. Awesome. Okay. Cool.
Check it out.
Keyboard shortcut challenge. We're going to move right on through 7.5. So here they talk about extending your code editor. By default, Sublime and Atom come with great features like keyboard shortcuts, multi-line editing, but what makes it even more powerful is the ability to extend with packages and themes. So packages are used to extend functionality of your text editor. Okay, so there's a package that could tell you, that you forgot. So it's like sort of checks for syntax. Themes, you probably noticed by now, specific pieces of code are colored and styled differently. This is called syntax highlighting, a common feature of text editor to make code more readable. Yep, so it looks like they're doing some C here. Yeah, these definitely look familiar. I don't remember what they all do. Include a library. You write the main program and print hello world and return 0. Syntax highlighting tells you pretty much kind of tells you what it highlights different part of your code. Okay, so installing themes and packages. Read instructions below. Okay, so Sublime can be installed with package control. Package control is an open source tool that manages packages in Sublime. You can download this right here. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and that's what I use. Packagecontrol.io. Okay, so there's all kinds of stuff. Oh, look at what is this? Is that the amount of downloads? Oh. JSON web visit package operations. Wow, that's pretty cool. So Sublime Text package manager that makes it exceedingly simple to find, install, and packages up to date. So if I install that now, package control, basic functionality. Package control is driven by the command palette. To open palette, press Control-Shift-P or Command-Shift P in OS 10. So let's try that. Command-Shift-P. Okay. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Command-Shift-P? Yeah, Command-Shift-P. Yeah, okay. There you go. Install package. Show a list of available packages. So install. This will include all of the packages from the default channel, plus any from repositories you've added. Add a repository that is not included in the default channel. This allows users to install automatic update packages from GitHub and Bitbucket. To add package hosted on GitHub, enter the URL in the repo. In the form, don't include git at the end. Remove packages. Okay, all right, so not sure I'm understanding what we're trying to do here. So let me after you've installed package control, restart Sublime. Okay, so I'm supposed to download something here. Install now. Simple. Okay, here we go. The simplest method of installation is through Sublime Text console. Okay, so let's do the console. It looks like it's control apostrophe, right? Control apostrophe. Okay, where does it show up? I don't see it. Control comma? No. Or okay, shortcut. See, we're learning about keyboard shortcuts here. Okay, it's control apostrophe, the one that's next to the 1. There it is. Okay. Hello. Okay, hello is not a defined. Okay, so Sublime, we're definitely, I believe we're in Sublime 3, but when in doubt, always check 3.0, okay? So we're just gonna, we're gonna copy this. Once open, paste the appropriate Python code, guys, for your version of Sublime Text. The code creates the installed package folder for you and then downloads the package control into it. The download will be done over HTTP. Due to Python standard limitation, however, it will be validated using SHA-256. Okay, so boom. Nice. This is deep dive, guys. Okay, please do not redistribute the install code via another website. It will change every release. Okay, so we won't do that. Okay, so that once we've installed, after you've installed, you do Command-Shift-P, Command Shift P. Okay. And then you can access it by launching the command palette by typing Command Shift P. And we have to type something. So we have to type package control. Package control. Okay. So there's all the different commands. So what do we do next? Once there, you will issue the command for installing, removing, and listing packages. Okay, for Atom. All right, what do we do next? Once you're there, you will be able to issue commands for installing, removing, and listing packages. Got it. Okay, so we can get to that point. Install package. I see. Okay, so Command Shift P, package control, install package. Okay, so these are all the different packages. Wow. Okay. Pretty cool. What do we need to do then? What package do we need to install? This is for Atom, so let's see. Recommended packages. Sublime and Atom have thousands of packages available to install, but figuring out which ones can be a task itself. So below we've recommended some packages that you'll definitely want to install. After you install a package, make sure you restart your text editor in order for just changes to take into effect. So Emmet. Emmet is a plugin for text editors that enables web developers to write HTML and CSS code faster. It does this by expanding simple CSS-like abbreviations into complex HTML and CSS code snippets. Oh wow! Did you see that? UL nav list item 4 item boom. That's crazy. That's wicked. Emmet is a must-use for any web developer. To learn more about Emmet, check this out. Okay. Written by Smashing Magazine, or visit. Okay, so we'll definitely give that a read. Okay. Color highlighter. Color highlighter is a plugin for Sublime. That's pretty cool. Which unobtrusively previews colors. Wow, that's pretty neat. Making changing color a breeze. To read more about color highlighter. Okay, so check out the GitHub repo or visit their package control website. Pigments. Pigments is a plugin for Atom. Okay, so Pigments, it looks like for Atom, it's color highlighter for Sublime Text. Sublime Tutor. Sublime Tutor is an interactive in-editor keyboard shortcuts for Sublime 3. Do you want more practice using keyboard shortcuts? Are you interested in learning? Yes, definitely. Want more packages? You can go here. All right, so let's install those 3. So package control, and let's look for Emmet. Emmet. Is there Emmet? There it is. Okay, wow, that installed it, or it's installing it right now. So that's pretty cool. And let's install the color highlighter. So again, it's Command Shift P, package control, install package, and then call it color highlighter. Okay, so once we've done that, we're going to restart Sublime Text. Okay, that opened up on my other screen. So let's see what the changes are. Let's get a code for color. So let's say here, I don't have a style here, but let's open up a CSS. Okay, that is pretty cool. I think that's what it's supposed to do. Yep, look at that. How did he get that though? How did he get that little color drop? How do they do that? Let me see. So let's try that out. Oh, was that what it is? Insert with color picker. What is that? Pick. What? That is wicked. Pretty cool. Pigment is okay. Sublime Tutor Editor. Okay, so we won't do that one. Let's just go to the next. Recommended themes. Want your syntax highlighting to stand out? Below, we've selected some of our favorite themes that we use here at Udacity. No theme is right or wrong. It's a personal preference. Based on the original TextMate theme designed by Wimmer, Monaca has become widely... Okay, so we should do that. Solarized. Udacity. Prefer to use the same theme as the Udacity faithful? Check the Udacity theme in action. Check out. So how do we install themes then? Do we do the Command Shift P, package control, install theme, install package? Okay. Let's see. Doesn't make it clear. Let's see. Is it on the? So is it? Check out this theme. Okay, so like say if we search for Udacity, would that show up in there? Shift P, package control. Nothing about installing themes. How about install package? Install package. Theme. Is it Monokai? A modern Monokai right there. Monokai Dark. Okay, so which one did they say it was? Themes. Is that it? Monokai Sublime Text and Visuals. Monokai ++. Monokai themes from Space Gray. I like dark. Did that do it? Did that do it? Yeah, it sure did. So, what do we do next? So if I quit out of Sublime Text and open it again, how do we change to different themes? Is the question. Next. What's your favorite theme? We want to know. In the end, it's really all subjective, but it's still interesting to know what themes are the most popular for students. Okay, so let's see. Installing package and themes. It's okay. How do I enable that theme then? Let's just say how to enable Sublime Text theme. Okay, so here we go. Preference settings user. Okay, so Sublime Text preferences theme right there. Oops. Sublime Text preferences theme. I only have two themes here. What's the other one? Monokai. Not available. Did we do it right? So Command-Shift-P, install a package, Monokai Dark, Monokai New. Okay, Monokai Dark is not available. Maybe because we installed it already? This requires a little bit more digging. Package control, blah, blah, blah. So here, package control, and then enable package, install package. Restart your text editor, okay. Okay, let's just see. Design door. Twitter. Wow. Okay. Getting into tangent here, guys. So to install it like this. Package control, install package. Theme, Monokai Pro. Step 2, quick panel. Where's the quick panel? Is this for Sublime Text? Yeah. Back in 2006, I created the Monokai color, so then I'm releasing Monokai Pro. Like new color scheme and using interface theme for Sublime Text. Okay, we did this. Quick panel, Monokai Pro select theme. Where is that at? Where's the quick panel? Right here. Quick panel. No, not there. Like this distraction-free mode. Color scheme? No, it's package. So Monokai Pro. There it is. Okay, there's Emmet. Highlighting colors with gutter, with current, okay. No need to update to Python version 8, package control, theme Monokai Pro. See, this is where reloading ignored packages to update to vintage. It looks like it reload the settings. Where's the quick panel? Is this the quick panel? No. Where is the quick panel? Let's just search. Sublime Text quick panel. Okay. Not that, not that. Okay, it says to go through here. Sublime Text, Preferences, Theme, Package, Package Control, Theme. So these are the only two. Monokai. See, I'm not finding it. Okay, where can we get that, guys? Is this it? What is that? Find Monokai Pro select theme. So is that okay? So this is the quick panel then, huh? So Monokai, yeah, right here. Ah, nice. Okay, guys. That was not intuitive, but I guess you can select. So could I? What other Monokai? So that's how you select it. But what if package control, install package? How about this one? What if we did this one? 1337 color theme. Okay, so let's say I selected that one. And then if I search 133, I meant it's called package control. Okay, maybe it shows up here now. Okay, now we have to quit and reopen. Remember? Sorry. 13. No, it doesn't show up. Maybe it shows up here. Oh, hey, look at that. Because I've installed it, so I can switch to it. Maybe you have to enable it first. Is that the issue? Enable package. Vintage. And then okay, so for sure that's how you select it for this theme. Yeah, this is nice. I like this because let's see what it looks like in the previous one. So default Sublime, that one. So you see how it even highlights the so if I go to Monokai Pro, look at that. The tabs kind of disappear and then these just show up. That's pretty awesome. Okay, guys, I think this is this finishes. I mean, I'm gonna say Monokai Pro is really cool. Monokai Pro. It's pretty awesome. Okay, and I think that's it. The last thing is it's just hackering stuff.
So much better. Yeah, it really looks like you're getting a lot done.
I think he's in the zone now.
Yeah, I think we should leave alone.
Ooh, yeah.
Well, anyway,
Flow.
we just scratched the surface of code editors, but now you know what's out there. And just like everybody's different and has their own way of doing things, it's the same with code.
That's right. We should go out and experiment with different.
Okay, guys, that's all for today. We're done with lesson 7. See you on Slack.